Two ASCII codes for hexadecimal digits are stored at memory locations 2700 and 2701. Write a program to convert the codes into their hexadecimal equivalents. Store the two respective hexadecimal equivalents as a data in a single memory location 2702. What exactly you have to perform in this program? In 2700, one hex code is stored. In 2701, in consecutive memory location, second hex code is stored for hexadecimal. ASCII code is stored, For that ASCII code, you have to find out its hexadecimal equivalent. For second also, you have to find out its hexadecimal equivalent and store a 2-digit hexadecimal equivalent in the next consecutive location. That means the 46, you have to find out hex equivalent. It acts as a least significant digit. Next, 39, you have to find out hexadecimal equivalent. It acts as a most significant digit. Here, hex number and its ASCII equivalent are given in a table. 0 means 30, 1 means 31, and so on. A means 41, B means 42, C means 43, and so on. Here, what's exactly required from the program and how we can achieve it? First, take the number to the accumulator. So LXI 2700, HL will have number 2700. Move M to A, the number from that memory location is brought to accumulator. Compare this number with 40. Compare this number with 40. And if carry flag is set, go to the instruction labeled at down. That means if the content of accumulator is less than 40, then you have to subtract 30, because at down subtract 30 instruction is there. But if carry flag is not set, first you have to subtract 7, and whatever answer you will get, from that you have to subtract 30. Here 46 is in accumulator, you are comparing it with 40. Carry flag is not set, therefore first you have to subtract 7. 46 minus 7. Here subtraction is shown. 46 minus 7. How it performs, how we perform this subtraction. 6 is less than 7, borrow 1. Here it becomes 3, you borrow 1, it becomes 16 in hexadecimal. From 7 count up to 16. From 7 count up to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here you will get F, and 3 minus 0 you will get 3. The answer is 3F. And from that you have to subtract 30. The answer is F. It acts as a least significant digit. So you have to transfer it to any one of the general purpose register. This is taken to register C. Move A to C. Go to the next memory location with INXH. Bring that number to accumulator with move M to A. Here you will get 39. Compare with 40. Compare immediate with 40. Here 39 is less than 40. Therefore carry flag is set. As carry flag is set, execute the instruction given at label below. Subtract 30, you will get 9. When you rotate this 9 4 times, the digit position get exchanged and it becomes 90. RRC 4 times, or RLC 4 times. Then you have to add the number from register C to it, that is add C. You will get 9F. Go to the next location with the help of INX H, and content of A accumulator is stored at that memory location. It becomes 9F. And last instruction is halt. That means the equivalent of 46 for ASCII code is F. It acts as a least significant digit, and equivalent of 39 for ASCII is 9. It acts as the most significant digit. To interchange the position from 09 to 90, you have to perform 4 times RRC or 4 times RLC. This is all about the program. Now we have to execute the program. Here is the program to convert ASCII to hex. I am going to execute this program stepwise. First step, LXI H2700. Bring the number from memory to accumulator. 46 is brought. It is compared with 40. Carry flag is not set, therefore first subtract 7 and 30. Compare with 40, carry flag is not set, therefore first subtract 7, you get 3F, and then subtract 30, you will get F. Move this to the register C, therefore you will get here 0F. Next, go to the next memory. Bring the number 39 to the accumulator. After bringing number 39 to the accumulator, it is compared with 40. Carry flag is set, therefore directly subtract 30. Compare with directly subtract 30, you will get 9. Rotate 4 times RRC, the digit position get exchanged, and add the content of C to it. It becomes 9F. Go to the next memory and store the result to the next memory. This is all about the program. Same program you have to execute on a different type of kit. Here you are getting a different type of kit. We are going to execute the same program. Here reset. Already program is entered, only you have to enter the data. Only you have to enter the data. At what memory location we entered the data? 2700 and 2701. Here reset set memory 2700 46 39. Here result is there, you will get the result after execution of the program. Reset go 2000 and execute. Execution is done. Reset set memory 2700. The first data 46, second 39, and here you will get the result 9F. Now change the number here. Instead of 46, enter the number 35, increment, and here enter the number 42. Increment, here it becomes 00. I will make it 00. And now execute the program. Reset, go 2000 and execute the program. Go to the memory location where result is stored. Reset set memory 2700. You will get the first number 35. You will get the second number 42, and you will get its equivalent, that is B5. This is all about the execution of the program.